Hi students, welcome to Unit 14 and Unit 15, the last two units of the term. Congratulations, you made it this far. And for Unit 14, this is going to be my only video for both of the units, but for Unit 14, we will start by completing a second case studies. We'll draw from the same page numbers that we've used in Unit 13. The brands that are available, and I believe that was pages 210 to 308. So those are the same exact pages that you will draw from for your second case studies for Unit 14. We're still going to be focused on best practices, comparing brand goals and practices, contrast innovative strategies, note fundamentals of the several brands, and then challenge approach and outcome of those brands. So these are some examples of brands that you might choose within those pages. And then as you move on to your last and final unit, you will want to complete the branding quiz results. This is just really a fun type of thing that I thought would be fun to wrap up the term. Several quizzes, a couple here, and then you will report those results at the submission link. If you do the course instructor evaluation, be sure that you submit a final screen capture to that area. I would love to give you 15 points for doing so. That way it helps me improve upon and strengthen the course and also know what I'm doing right. It's been such a pleasure to work with you all. I'd like to see everyone's feedback, especially because it's a conglomerate of business and design classes. So to see you all within the forums working together is really, truly rewarding. It's been a great time getting to know you all, and please connect with me in the future. Best of luck in your final two units, and I'll see you hopefully soon.